Ako binili sa'yo. Oh, mainit pa. Pakain mo sa asawa mo ba yan?
Yeah.
Asawa. Bili tayo ng manok kasi nakita natin si Bernard sa baba. So, pila natin ng manok. At para may makain siya. Samahan natin ng bigay natin doon sa homeless sa labas na Pilipino. Ito, manok. Nakita natin dito si Bernard, mga kababayan ko, yung Pilipino na homeless, baka nagugutom. So binilan ko siya ng manok. Try natin kung nandito pa siya. Ayun. Ayun siya, mga kababayan ko. Nakaupo doon sa may kanto, may kasamang chika bibs. So
I think that person just...
how are you, my friend?
Hi. Not bad, you?
Bernard,
Yeah. Oh, hello kuya.
kamusta na?
Okay lang. Hindi kita nakilala cause you have... like I thought you're like from like Saudi Arabia.
Sir, Arabic ka?
Yeah. Musta kuya?
Ano, may binili ako sa manok.
It's my new friend.
Oh,
He
yeah?
asked me earlier, yeah.
Okay, thank
And we're just trying to check out the superstore.
Superstore?
And then maybe I can steal money from like cash.
What?
Like cashier tip.
No,
back
don't.
there. I just need something to like pick up the paper.
Wag kang magnakaw doon.
I got away one time with $20 and $5. Well, like I noticed like the worker is like, yeah, like you know, if there's shift tomorrow and then someone will like work for the shift and I don't know, but there's money on the box, you know, like the machine, I think.
Kamusta na?
They can pick it up too, but
May manok ako binili sa'yo. Oh, mainit pa. Pakain mo sa asawa mo ba yan?
yeah.
So-
Ask her name, kuya.
What's your name, baby? Okay, my name is Joe. You can eat I give to Bernard so you can
Oh yeah,
Split up.
kuya, you
and then water.
okay.
Inom kang tubig, mainit.
Hey kuya, you're born in Philippines, right?
Oo naman.
Okay.
Kamusta buhay?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Oh, at least I made it Canada when I was like 15.
Di ba? Pumunta ka rito. Ilang taon?
15 years old.
50 years old. So dito ka na lumaki, di ba?
Like, still underage.
Oo.
And my mom is... Well, we're supposed to go to Canada like all our like family, you know? Like my four sister, and then mother, father, you know, like some kind of, but I don't know, those since 83 shit, it's like someone's getting like TB, like tuberculosis shit,
Oh, sino?
like throwing up blood, like
wow.
my sisters or my dad or my mom, like I seen my mom like throwing up like a lot of blood like one time. But I think that's still in Philippines.
So asa na sila ngayon?
And then we made well, I came to Winnipeg with my mother like 99, 2000, but like
Sister,
know,
eat the
and then 5 years she passed away, and then
eat the chicken. I think you like, right? Roasted chicken.
yeah.
Yeah, for you and your friend Bernard.
Yeah. Well, my mom passed away. Like I have a partner then. And then I met like a Filipino and then I started staying at her house. Well, that one's for sure, right? You know, when,
So kaibigan mo siya, kaibigan mo?
mm-hmm. And
Bernard is your friend, huh? Baby, Bernard is your friend? Long time?
no, we just
He's good? He's good?
Kuya.
You didn't deserve to be up there.
But he's still good, eh?
On the street is Benji.
Oh, okay.
That's my street name, Benji.
Benji.
Someone name is Benjamin that I'm born.
Benjamin.
I don't know. Fuck.
Who has the cigarette? You want to trade for a dozen?
Even like,
I go.
yeah, I don't fuck. Or, yeah, I don't shit.
Ano binibinta niya? Cigarette? Oh. Donut.
Also, yeah, Kuya, where is... Oh, yeah, Kuya, like, I just heard this is called Town.
Huh?
Like 2 years ago in Sunalta. And then I just started smoking it, but there's a lot of people, they said there's doing it for 10 years, 30 years. But I just seen it 2 years ago in Sunalta. Those Town.
Marami si
Like,
Bernard, mga
comes
kababayan
in
ko,
different
kasama homeless
colors,
dito, mga kababayan ko.
purple, green, things
Ayan,
like
mga
that.
kababayan.
And then I just found
Kasama.
out the crack it's like part of that town. And it's color white. And there's also color white like piña colada.
Hmm.
So like what happened is it's just like, you know, like, I don't know, I just smoke shabu. Just-
Sorry, I don't
just
smoke.
shabu.
Maybe your friend or something?
Goodbye, smoke off, this is.
And then like I like that though. I mean I'm not like hey shit. I'm just like contributing, you know.
Baby, want some?
Like what I do is like,
Jackson?
you know, and then it's like being shit.
Kanina ka pa ba dito?
Like 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Saan ka galing?
From the DI.
Oh.
I think oh no, like I sneak in last night, and then I got kicked out this like middle like at night, and I was just outside, and yeah, it's like I don't know, like I just sneak in, like
Asan na yung marami mong bag? Tiis na lang to.
oh I don't have much merchandise. I'm like not putting effort on that much. Shit, I don't even like offer you any shit. For real. I didn't like
Pinapakain ko sila ng manok, mga kababayan ko. Kain ka na ng manok ko, Bernard. Hindi ka ba nagugutom?
No, I'm okay.
Okay ka lang?
Smoke some down. Oh yeah, look kuya.
Ano yan?
We don't have like this in Philippines, eh? Like that.
Ano
And,
tawag dyan?
and how they
Where
smoke
can we fucking, where can I find some good pancetta at?
and how they smoke crystal meth like on the foil.
Hmm.
Shit.
Shabu. You know that?
Do you know kuya you can snort them
I don't know.
and then it burns your forehead
Oh yeah?
and your tooth like aching like fucking
Oh.
yeah like really like oh like those and then you'll be like oh shit but it feels good and until
Chicken.
it
Won't you
like
get chicken?
gone away like it's
Nice chicken. It's very fresh, ha?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kain ka na, Bernard. Hindi ka nagugutom
a
dahil...
bit oh yeah kuya like you mean it's possible that you know and then you haven't like shit and then you're like
Yeah, fucking
so,
my grandchildren are out voting us.
Hmm.
Andrew, Ryder, Jackson, Isaiah, Abigail. I forget the newest one just because I didn't sit around talking to my daughter because fucking the baby was born addicted to fucking fentanyl. So when you go back to what
So ito mga po kababayan kung buhay nila dito ng mga...
fucking slam the needles and I'm killing them. I couldn't fucking stay annoyed and then watch my fucking granddaughter crying all kinds of days. Just kicking her legs.
Yeah, no, she was.
Just kicking her legs, you know what I mean? Crying in pain. Because she's fucking hooked on fentanyl, right?
Saan ka pupunta ngayon to, ano, Bernard?
Wala lang.
Dito ka lang.
Sheldon Schumer,
Yeah, that's runs a shot.
and that's probably her second new bubble pie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, please, I love it.
Sure.
May nagbibigay ng kape.
And then I heard it's like, you know, those breaking bubble shit, like something like real.
Kape, gusto mo Bernard? Kape, may nagbibigay.
Yeah.
Coffee, go with your breakfast.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
One more.
They didn't even volunteer. And then
Semangat.
Alright, one second. I'm gonna fill these guys up first.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You want a coffee?
One more
Nice to
for
meet
her.
you.
Yum, yum.
totoo ko yan.
Did you want one as well?
No, it's okay.
Mahakita.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Ano yan Bernard? Alis na ako. Marami na kayo dito. Ingat ka ha.
Kuya, may barya ka?
Yeah, I heard Andrew.
So, I just have to buy my friend, like what it needs.
Okay, $5.5 for
Because
me.
if I go ask someone,
Thank you. Sister, I'm going. Take care.
Kuya, thank
Kuya,
you.
take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Kuya,
Ano?
kailan ka lalabas, kuya?
Nandito lang ako lagi. Ingat ka ha, ingat.
Okay.
Ingat ka.
You want a cup of coffee?
Kawawa naman. Marami silang mga kababayan ko, mga homeless, sama-sama sila.